Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's got the scariest embroidery of all? Anita Goodesign Halloween mirror blocks. Keep watching to find out how you can win your copy of this scary design.
Hey everybody and welcome back. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. And today we're going to work on this cool Halloween mirror blocks. So the first thing I do when I start doing, a little project, an embroidery project like this, is I get everything ready. And one of the ways that I've changed my system so far is using the Sweet Pea rulers. If you don't have these guys, you need them. It's fantastic. So I can pre-cut everything I need, including the batting. And it's a nice even size and it'll keep you from wasting any fabric, any batting, anything. And I also have this cool cutting board, because remember the hoop mat is not a cutting board, that turns, so it makes it a lot easier if you don't have so many scraps of material all over the place like I do. So trim it up, save yourself money, everything's gonna fit perfectly. Thank you, Sweet Pea, for that. And of course, you can use these rulers on any designs. And I just use them for everything that I do. So let's take it to the machine. The first thing we're gonna do is, can you guess? Batting. Yes, we're gonna do a squaring block for the batting. So just throw that down. It's gonna stitch it down twice, and then we're going to trim it the usual. This is how they start out, and which makes it really nice. I'd also like to point out, stay tuned to the end of the video or in the middle or sometime. I'm going to give you guys a keyword so you can win your own copy of this design pack. It's awesome. I'll tell you a little bit more about it when we're stitching. So I'm using my duckbill scissors, and by the way, I have cutaway mesh hooped, and I just cut away that batting. The first piece to stitch down is an applique piece. Now, if you look at the picture, which I'll pop up right here, of the design, it's made up of applique and folded fabric. The line down the middle, no matter what color it is folded fabric, which gives it a fantastic look when you're done. So the first half of it is stitched down like an applique. The second half is folded fabric. And you can tell that on your step list on your machine because it's just a line. So you know you have to fold it. Make a nice crease. You can use a little bit of spray if you want to make sure everything stays flat. But once you fold it over, it stitches it down, and we're going to do a little more applique. Because these are Halloween mirror blocks, we're going to do appliques in the opposite color. So this works great if you have light and dark, or if you have busy and then a solid piece of fabric. It's fantastic. So I'm going to scrap it up on this one and try to make it look awesome with the scraps. Try to trim them down a little bit, I guess, so they don't kind of get caught in other ones. And I'm also using layer cake as well as a charm square set of the same thing. I bought yardage and I bought layer cakes and I bought charm squares, and I'm using them all in this one, so it's fantastic. So once that stitch is down, let's take it to trim using the duckbill scissors, and I'm moving it all around to make it easier to cut. That is one of the keys. Take it off your machine and carefully cut it. The better you cut the applique pieces, the better it's gonna look. So take your time on this one. If you have any boo-boos, I have a little one in the corner there where the two scrap pieces got over. You can fix it, pull it out. Now we're doing the opposite side. So we're going to do the black part. And it's the same thing. We're just going to put it down. Now it's done separately because we have a folded fabric, two pieces here. So this is the outline for the folded fabric, and make sure your piece is large enough to go across. There we go. And make a nice fold and make sure it's straight and kind of hold it down a little bit. I do have a little bit of spray on it, and you have a perfect fold. I'm not going to trim it all out, but I'm going to trim the bottom pieces. I learned my lesson on the other side on how to do it, and I still made a mistake right there and left it too long. That's okay. It could be fixed. There we go. Almost fixed it. It's not going to show. So again, another little charm square, and line everything up, stitch it down, and fold it over. Let's fold it. There we go. Fold it over. And now if you look, all the pieces are folded down the middle. And that's what makes this Anita Good Design embroidery design fantastic. So now, once I have all of the pieces done, I'm going to carefully trim them out. And by the way, I'm on a single needle machine, the Brother Dream Machine 2. I call him McDreamy, of course. And I just kept the same color thread all the way through, and it looks fantastic. Now, on a couple of the blocks that I did, I skipped this part, the quilting. I didn't think it went really well with the polka dots, but I think maybe if I changed the color, like did this side in orange and did the other side in black, I might like the results a little bit more. But for now, I just left it, and it's lovely purple on everything. Doesn't show as well as I would like, so I'll try it next time with different colors and see. Now, we're almost done. This whole thing, if you can believe that, we're almost done. A little bit of applique, a little bit of folding fabric, quilting stitches, that's fine. And now we're going to do the finishing touches. And these are the gorgeous satin stitches that are going to, you know, cover up all the edges and look great. And these are special satin stitches. They're split, but they're split in a certain way because Anita Good Design is all about detail work. And it's really cool, and you'll see the last step why they are split. It's split down the middle, kind of like the blocks, actually. So if you want to win your own copy of Mix and Match Quilting Halloween Mirror Blocks, there's 25 Halloween-themed blocks that are each split down the middle and combine 2 unique fabrics for amazing results. And there's 25 different designs in 4 sizes each, so that's a lot of designs. You can make a really nice mug rug out of this as well. 7.8, 6.8, 5.8, and 4.8. So it's going to fit in just about any hoop. And pick your favorite Halloween fabric. So 2 things to do to win. In this video, comment on this video and comment mirror blocks. And that'll give you a chance to win. And we'll wait about a week and we will announce the winner on that one. And also, I wanted to make an announcement and let you guys know that we have created a new group specifically and only for Anita Good Design embroidery designs. And it's all about Anita Good Design. It's called Anita Good Design Embroidery Fanatics because, yeah, I kind of am a little bit fanatical about it or fangirling about it. I love it. This is the only group on Facebook that is approved by Anita Good Design. So no negativity. It's going to be positive. It's going to be showing off your Anita Good Design work and your different ideas. And we're going to be working together to get everyone to think outside the box and use different fabrics and different colors. You guys see I do that a lot, and it's wonderful to be able to do that. So we'll give each other ideas, and I will be doing videos on how to stitch out Anita Good Designs. So if you're having any issues, I'll be showing you like this video step by step, and we'll get it all done. So hopefully you guys can win. Comment to win, join the group. Let's wow Anita Good Design to show them how much we love their designs. I know there's other Anita Good Design groups, but this one is the only one that is approved by Anita Good Design themselves. And they're really happy that we're going to make a really big, nice, positive group, helpful group. So join and let's have some Anita Good Design fun. So our pumpkin square here is coming along just fine. He's looking good. I really do like the purple. I contemplated different colors like a bright green, which might have been okay. I've got the perfect Halloween green. Nobody should be surprised at that at all. And I think this is looking pretty good. The last step that I was telling you about earlier is in between those satin stitches. You can see that there's a little kind of like a moat, an embroidery moat in the middle. And the last step, I'm going to use silver metallic thread, and I did this on all of mine. I'm changing it right here to the silver metallic thread. And what it does is back stitches, long back stitches right in the center of it. And oh my goodness, does it look fantastic. I'm really happy with how that turned out. And I did 3 blocks to make a wall hanging, and I did them all the same colors and all the same fabric. And I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's a design I've had my eye on for a lot of years. It's an older one, but it is absolutely fantastic. And yeah, like I said, I'm so happy with it. It's awesome. So give it a try. Think outside the box, pick your favorite fabric, and comment, and you can win your own. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys join the Anita Good Design Embroidery Fanatics Facebook group, and we can have some Anita Good Design fun. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!